Hey folks, pretty comfortable day across the valley today. Temperatures climbing into the low 70s for a time across most of the area this afternoon. We're coming back down from that now. 60s in the eastern two-thirds of the valley. McAllen to Rio Grande City 70, 71 degrees, but everybody else in the 60s as we speak. Overnight lows tonight back into the upper 50s and low 60s, so a cool night across the area with a lot of clouds most of the night. And then tomorrow, just a little warmer than today, but not a lot. We should be back in the mid 70s across just about the entire area with southeast winds, not much more than about 6 to 18 miles an hour. Now, if we look at the next 3 days, tomorrow's nice. Saturday is warmer, close to 80, 79, and then Sunday quite a bit cooler, only 65 degrees on Sunday, so you may not need the jacket tomorrow, but you probably will if you're going to spend any time outside on Sunday. Here's your cloud cover picture, and the clouds broke for a little while today. Might have seen a little bit of sunshine. Need the sunglasses for just a little bit, but overnight tonight the clouds are going to thicken up again, and will be with us most of the day tomorrow, so just count on mostly cloudy skies for your Friday across the area. Late in the day, as we go to 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, could be spotty showers around. We're talking about a 20% probability of a brief shower tomorrow as the southeast wind really brings a lot of moisture into the region. Upper air disturbance, a weak wind gets close by, and that combination gives us that shower chance. Early in the morning Saturday, a cool front will push in, shift the wind, so instead of coming from the southeast, by pretty early Saturday morning, the winds will be out of the north or northwest. That will bring drier air in initially. In the afternoon, we should see some sunshine. And with that, temperatures probably bouncing back up, as you saw, into the upper 70s, maybe even 80. And then Saturday night, the cooler air will push in. And with that cooler air, maybe a few clouds. I think at this point, Sunday, probably a mix of clouds and sunshine, but it might be heavy on the cloud mix, and that'll keep temperatures down in the 60s rather than the 70s. Rain chances mainly late tomorrow and overnight tomorrow night. I think daytime Saturday and Sunday should be dry, although there could be something pre-dawn on Saturday, but nothing really significant. Around Texas, 50 in Dallas right now. Austin's 59, San Antonio at 58 degrees. Let's look at the cloud cover, and there's been spotty showers in the middle part of the state earlier today. Still some rain far out to the west of us in Arizona, New Mexico, but not much close to home. All the upper air disturbances are staying way to the north, so all the significant rain stays way to the north. So tomorrow, a cool front on the weather map. It comes in on Saturday, but again, the cool air kind of lagging way behind. Dry air first, so we get some sunshine in the afternoon. Then the cooler air comes in overnight Saturday night, and then the clouds build back in on Sunday. You can see this model. This is a U.S. GFS model. Says clouds are pretty thick on Sunday, and they're there on Monday as well, and may not break for a while even after that. So it looks like count on at least some clouds, and early next week, perhaps some spotty showers. At the coast, winds out of the southeast tomorrow 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop on the bay. The UV index remains high. The bay temperature 65, the surf is at 64. No advisories for tomorrow with a low risk of rip currents. The low tide just before lunch hour and the high tide at 8:05 tomorrow night. So for tonight, about 61 for a low, mostly cloudy skies, relatively mild night, and then tomorrow back up to 76 with plenty of clouds, maybe a late day shower. Southeast winds about 6 to 18. So that 20% chance of a shower is there tomorrow. Clouds linger into Saturday morning, but break late in the day, and then Sunday still mostly cloudy and a much cooler day. And we stay cool into the middle part of next week, but by about Thursday or so, a week from now, back close to 80 once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.